Hello, I'm Ignacio Valdez, CEO of Astronaut LLC. I'm also a practicing psychiatrist and software engineer with 22 years experience. We are going to be showing the Astronaut VistA installer produced by Astronaut LLC. This is the Astronaut LLC website. See astronautvista.com for more information. To start, go to sourceforge.net and search for Astronaut, which will take you to one of the Astronaut VistA installers. We have both a World Vista and MedSphere Open Vista installer. These are not official releases of these respective organizations. They are standard-based versions of these. We will be installing the RPM version of this in a cloud instance. Go to the Files area of the Astronaut SourceForge site. Click on the Astronaut World Vista Server installer, then right-click on the Astronaut Server RPM, click Copy Link Location in Firefox, IE is somewhat different, then go to whatever cloud instance you wish to use, such as Rackspace Cloud or Amazon. These cloud instances can be created in just minutes. Here we are in the Rackspace Cloud. Start your terminal session and type wget followed by the link location copied earlier. This will begin downloading the 160 megabyte RPM file. Transfer times in the cloud should be a fast download. After we have downloaded the Astronaut RPM, we will install it using the yum-y no GPG install astronaut RPM file command. You can shorten this by typing in the command, then typing astro, then the tab key, which should fill in the astronaut RPM file name. All the dependencies will be automatically install. All the dependencies will automatically install themselves. Then the Astronaut VistA will install. This will be a 5 to 10 minute operation depending on the processor speed. You should get a fair number of messages throughout the install process. You will see some informative messages as what to do next at the end of the install, as well as server access information. Multiple instances can be installed with the default override file. After the server is installed, we will install the clients with the Easy Windows Client installer. Go to sourceforge.net, find Astronaut VistA Client Installer, right-click on the executable file, and the download will begin. And the download is started. We downloaded the Astronaut Clients Installer, and we double-click on it and run it. We get the Astronaut splash screen. We agree to the license. We change the localhost IP address to this IP address, and we install. We just accept the defaults and we install. And we're going to start the SSH tunnel later, hit finish. And now we go to the start menu. Okay, so now we've moved to the focus of which is the start menu. We go to all programs, and Astronaut has installed in the Astronaut icons group. We go to Astronaut SSH, and that starts and stops the SSH tunnel. So we click on that, and an SSH tunnel starts. Okay, so now we've moved the focus over to show that the SSH tunnel is running in this little terminal session. We're gonna start and stop this. It's running now. To stop it, you just close that window, and that stops the SSH tunnel. So now we go back to our start menu after we've shown you the SSH tunnel running, and let's pick our clinical client, which is TMG CPRS, and we're going to go ahead and start that. I'm going to click on it and then change the focus of the screen. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start TMG CPRS, and we're clicking on Astronaut TMG CPRS, and there we are. We are in the Astronaut World Vista Edition, and we log in with sys.admin for access code Vista !123, and that brings it up with the clinical client, which I have to move on screen. Okay, I just, you didn't see it, but the select patient box, you have to select a patient for me to move it on screen. And so here we are with test patient 1. We'll go ahead and do select a new patient. And this is what you see when you first start, is to select a new patient. The TMG CPRS has some unique features in that you can add a patient such as last name, first name, last name Astronaut, first name VistA. It's a fairly new arrival to the scene, so it's we'll say 11/30/2008. Make it 1 year old. We're going to generate a pseudo, and we'll make it female, and we're going to add a patient, and we're adding new patient. This is one of the key features of this system. When we go back to File, select New Patient, and there is Astronaut VistA. Let's change the demographics, and this is we'll change Astronaut VistA to John Doe, and we'll change their date of birth to 2001. Apply the changes, and we now have patient John Doe. This is one of the major features that Astronaut introduces through TMG CPRS that makes this system fabulous to use. Now we're going to start up the VistA configuration. This is a graphic user interface configuration system for VistA. And this is here, it's coming up, VistA configuration utility, and we come in with the same ID, sys.admin, VistA !123, which is the default ID, which you should change if you want a secure system. And with this you can do graphic management of user IDs, such as all these physicians. You can change their access and verify code without you in a graphic way, as well as their electronic signature code. You don't have to go into the VistA text-based interface in order to do this. So these are some of the enhancements on the client side that make the system dramatically more useful than it has been in the past. And that's about all for our this training video on how to install Astronaut VistA. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy the product. We'll stay tuned, because we have a lot more interesting products coming in the future, and we hope to hear from you soon. Bye now.